So far you have learned 3 notes and 4 notes harmonica songs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a new song on your harmonica with just 5 notes. Yeah, 5 notes. Hey everyone, hope you are doing great and you are ready for a new harmonica lesson. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a new song on your harmonica with just 5 notes: C, D, E, F, and G. C is 4 blow, D is 4 draw, E is 5 blow, F is 5 draw, and G is 6 blow. C, D, E, F, G. One, two, three, four. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. That helps a lot. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.